Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many users worry about losing their phone or getting it stolen. In such cases, protecting your personal data becomes very important. Google provides a built-in feature that lets you lock your phone remotely. If you are not aware of this feature, do not worry. I will show you how to lock your phone remotely using your Google account step by step. First, open Settings on your phone. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Type Remote Lock. Tap on the Remote Lock option when it appears. Now turn on the Remote Lock toggle. This enables remote locking for your phone. If your phone is lost or stolen, you can lock it using your Google account. You can use your registered phone number or answer security questions. Your phone must be connected to the internet for the lock to work. If the phone is offline, it will lock automatically once it comes online. When you find your phone again, unlocking is simple. Just unlock the phone using your normal password or PIN. That is how you lock your phone remotely using a Google account. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more phone security tips and troubleshooting tutorials.